welcome address by CEO and co-founder of MedTech World.
So when I first started this out 4 years ago, it was meant to be just a passion hobby of mine, a side hustle, I guess, just purely for fun, networking, and organizing a yearly MedTech Roadshow event, MedTech flagship event in Malta. Fast forward 4 years, and I just simply got addicted to it. The fact that we're hosting events worldwide, connecting startups with investors, anyone else in between. This is the first time we're actually doing a one-day roadshow event and outside our comfort zone in a foreign country, because up until now, our flagship event has always been Malta as the key event every year, and then hosting several roadshow events, but on a much smaller scale. Sometimes they're even just evening events, networking events, all around the world, from Dubai, Toronto, Belgrade, London, The Hague. But this year, given the momentum we built last year in Malta for our October show, we need to up our game. Not simply in terms of the numbers of people we're attracting, but rather the quality of people joining our events. Genuine people, genuine networking, genuine startups looking to influence healthcare. And this is what I always say to the team. If we're able to, at least per event, connect one startup with an investor to be funded and have a good runway to continue improving people's lives, patients, healthcare practitioners, that's already a win for us. Let alone with the number of events we're doing this year, the grandiosity of our flagship Malta event, look what we can achieve. When it comes to the region, I love the region here, simply not just because of the people, the culture, but their ambition to be the number one at whatever they set out to do. Their willingness to network, to welcome for internationals from all around the world. I mean, I have people here coming from across all continents. Sanjay booked his flights last Friday. I'm like, is this guy really coming? And he's here this morning. So that is the impact that we're doing through these events. I still remember, at first it was meant to be, as I was saying, like a side hustle, whilst working in surgery at Malta's main hospital. So I still remember the first time I went up to my mother, I'm like, Ma, I'm the first generation medical doctor in my family. So it's like I was their crown prince saving people's lives every day. And they're like, you're going to stop surgery to become an event organizer. But I've always tried to prove the point is beyond simply organizing events. It's about connecting people, startups, investors, and again, anyone else in between, policymakers, regulators, and so on. When it comes to the medtech industry, it's not just about numbers. It's not like any other fintech, blockchain, or whatever industry there is. It's essentially about people's lives, and that's our patients' lives. Even if we're not able to save someone's life, we might at least make it more comfortable for them, especially if they're suffering from any chronic conditions and palliative conditions. And that's been our aim. I look forward to today's event. The grandiosity of the speakers that we managed to get, be it those from within the region and beyond, in terms of their influential power to actually impact healthcare on a global scale. And that's something that we're always trying to improve in terms of who we're attracting to the event, who we're getting to share on stage. So I do encourage you to make the most out of the event. Sometimes the smaller events that they are, the better in terms of the networking and the opportunities you have. We have investors coming in from, again, Europe, North America, some of which are based here, some of which lead their own family offices, and are quite keen to continue exploring what MedTech World is all about. So I truly wish you a very good day ahead. We're already running slightly late, and that is something very traditional of the Maltese, I guess. So we're bringing some Maltese flavor into it. Looking forward to speaking with you all later on today. Thank you for coming. Have a good day. Cheers.